Hey guys, this is just a quick little video. I did do a video yesterday, and to be honest, I just had so many technical issues. I was just like, no. I just want to say something about this arrest warrant of President Putin and the Donald Trump thing. First of all, we as Americans, 20 years ago this month, we illegally invaded Iraq. We were already illegally in Afghanistan. We've committed numerous war crimes. So we really have no right to call anybody a war criminal. We have no place to lecture anyone about human rights violations when we violated a number of them. I mean, Guantanamo Bay is still open, people. Think about it. Now, also, Donald Trump, if you go to New York City, the DA's office, and you riot, and you go there, you raise hell, and you get arrested, it's going to be just like January 6th. You're going to be on your own, baby. He ain't going to lift a finger to help you. He has not done squat. Of the people from January 6th that is still in jail. Some of them have already been serving time in prison. So, if you go, you get arrested, that's on you. It just means you're a damned fool. Donald Trump is and always will be an attention whore. He cannot stand for there not to be attention on him for more than 2 minutes. He's always been this way, and he will always be this way. Alright guys, I will see you next Sunday. Our dog is having surgery tomorrow morning. So I'm going to be kind of busy taking care of him for a couple days. But I do have a review of the new Economic Hitman. I think it's chapter 22 that goes up on Wednesday. But I will see you guys later. Please don't buy into this Donald Trump being arrested. Just remember, he also promised to lock Hillary Clinton up. Nothing happened. He actually thanked her and her husband for their years of service at his inaugurational dinner. I'm out.